Hello. Um, I am camping in a hole. Very dumb. Got a penguin. And I don't know what to do. So, gonna stop.